There are several ways to create a table in Word. To quickly insert a table, select Insert, Table, and select the number of columns and rows you want. Or to customize the table, select Insert, Table, Insert Table. Select the number of columns and rows, select how you want to fit the content, and select OK. If you already have text separated by paragraphs, commas, tabs, or a special character, you can convert it to a table. Select the text, and then select Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table. Select the options you want and how the text is separated, and then select OK. You can even draw a table. Select Insert, Table, Draw Table. Drag to draw your table. And then draw the columns and rows the way you want them. Finally, after you create a table, on the Table Tools Design tab, select a design.